back. Let's say doing the last box of this case. 2021 Topps Chrome WWE. Look, Jose. Alexa Bliss refractor. Wow, right in Dale's face. Green, Santos Escobar. Angel Garza or Angel Garza. 76 of 99. Green autograph. Triple H defeats Sergeant Slaughter in a boot camp match. Cesaro. Ridge Holland. Isaiah Swerve Scott. Bray Wyatt photo variation. Nice. Finn Balor. Velveteen Dream photo variation. Where else? Velveteen Dream just got. What happened to Velveteen Dream? Somebody accused him of something and that's why he left? Becky Lynch. Murphy. Charlotte Flair. 5-Timers Club. Drew Gulak. Timothy Thatcher. Orange. MVP photo variation orange. 22 of 25. Nikki Cross. Razor Ramon defeats the 1-2-3 kid, Robert Stone. Is that a black auto? It is a black auto. Shayna Baszler. Daniel Bryan. Lince Dorado. Photo variation. Nia Jax. Kalisto photo variation. And then Dabakato. Or Kato. Rookie 123 of 150. Lacey Evans. Sonya Deville. Randy Orton. Braun Strowman. And the last pack has Karrion Kross. Oh, right in Funk's face. Karrion Kross. Alright, our green autograph. We're going to go Billy Kay, Xavier Woods, and Apollo Crews. And our green auto is Bayley, 93 of 99. And our black autograph, Damian Priest, Rhea Ripley. In the back we have Dominic Dijakovic. Black autograph, good luck. 10 of 10. Drew McIntyre, 10 of 10. For Jose. Nice, Jose. That case was pretty dope. They had like one or two were okay, but it's pretty dope. Bray Wyatt photo variation, Velveteen Dream, Lince Dorado, Kalisto, Bailey green autograph, 93 of 99, Davakato, and a 150. MVP photo variation out of 25, Angel Garza photo variation out of 99. Oh no, sorry, it's not photo variation. And Drew McIntyre, 10 of 10. Very nice, good stuff. Thank you, John and Jose. Appreciate it, guys.